Alright, so we're in the Dodge. I've got a weighted shift knob and the shifter extender. Supposedly the two things to make these shift better. I have a dual disc clutch, so it's always easier for me to hit first when I go to second. Completely stock setup right now. And we're just gonna go for a drive and see what we get. Alright, so coming up to a stop sign. So I'll roll through the gears again, and then the next time we stop, I'll throw the extension on, which this weighs nothing, so it's not gonna add any weight. Weighted shift knob from NRG. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but it is what it is. It's the best looking one I could find. If this doesn't make a difference, I'm getting a T-handle. Lights green as soon as I stop. Oh, it still doesn't like first. Feels the same, I'm not gonna lie. Say the weighted shift knob helps, but then other people online say the dual disc you can't get them to shift at all, and this has a dual disc, so I don't know if that's the issue. I don't think the synchros are bad on this, and everything looked fresh when I was in it, but there's a couple people that say 3 1/4 to 4 inch extenders help, and this is a 4 inch. The transmission more through this shift knob than the stock one. It's weird. We've got a couple stop signs coming up, so we'll be able to get some good good sessions rolling through them. But so far it's about the same. We'll get that extension put on once I get to O'Reilly's.